If you've driven on I-4 heading towards Daytona Beach in about the past 6 months or so, you have probably noticed the building behind me. There's a lot of mystery surrounding this, and I think everybody pretty much wants to know what's going on here in the Seminole Town Center. This place has been under construction for a while. It hasn't opened, but guess what? I got invited in, so let's go check out and find out what exactly is going on in here. A very little known fact about me, because there's not really very much reason for me to talk about this, but my very first job when I was 16 was working in a mall in a video arcade. And as far as first jobs go, I cannot fathom a better first job. It was so much fun. People always assumed that I was really good at arcade games, and that was not the case at all. I very rarely tried to play any of them. The one thing that I really enjoyed was skee ball. So I wonder, will there be skee ball in here? Is that even still a thing? Anyway, let's go check it out. Right off the bat on the ground floor, you see the go-kart area. These are lithium battery powered go-karts. There are ones designed for kids and ones for adults, and the adult ones reach a maximum speed of 45 miles per hour. Also downstairs, we find laser tag. The first floor will also have a retro video arcade, a bar, a restaurant, ping pong tables, and mini golf. Payment will be handled at these kiosks, which are located on the downstairs and the upstairs level. And now we're upstairs, and let's go check out the arcade. There's really an incredible number of games to choose from on the second floor. A really special attraction up here is the Omni Arena 4D virtual experience. All these games to choose from, and look, what's he playing? He's playing skee ball. This section has some unexpected games, almost like a midway at a carnival, and a mix of board games that you played as a kid. This is the ticket redemption area, and I am almost at a loss for words. It's basically a store. Did I mention that there's also a bowling alley? Here are the climbing areas. There are 6 different areas to climb. And this place will be eventually available for corporate rentals or for birthday parties, although that is going to be a few months out in the future. I'm sure the big question is, when is this going to be open to the public? And I think the best thing to do is follow them on their Facebook page. Again, this is Elev8, and we are in Sanford, Florida in the Seminole Town Center Mall.